Can an AI take just $100 and turn it into a real money-making business? I honestly had no idea. So I decided to find out in the craziest experiment I've ever done. The rules were simple. I gave an advanced AI, basically a super smart computer brain, a crisp $100 bill. My job was just to be its hands and feet. I had to follow every single instruction it gave me, no matter how weird or crazy it sounded. This wasn't about my ideas or my business sense. It was about seeing if artificial intelligence could actually win in the real world of business, starting from almost nothing. The challenge was set. The AI had complete control over the $100 budget and the entire business strategy. So I logged into ChatGPT-5, the latest and greatest AI model available today, on August 15th, 2025. I typed in the first prompt, the one that would kick this whole thing off. You are an expert entrepreneur. I have a budget of $100. Your goal is to turn this into a profitable online business as quickly as possible. I will act as your human assistant and follow all of your instructions. What is our first step? The AI started by brainstorming a bunch of ideas. It was like a fire hose of business concepts. It suggested everything from dropshipping phone cases to selling custom digital art for gamers. For each one, it provided a quick analysis of the pros and cons, the potential profit margin, and the initial startup costs. It was incredible to see it filter through so many possibilities in just a few seconds, doing the kind of work that would take a human hours, if not days, to complete. After analyzing about 20 different ideas, the AI recommended we focus on a very specific niche, creating and selling eco-friendly gift box sets online. Its reasoning was solid. It pointed out that the eco-conscious market was growing fast. People want to buy products that are good for the planet. It also said that gift boxes have a high perceived value, meaning we could charge more than the individual items cost. So, with the business idea chosen, I asked the AI for the exact step-by-step plan. This is where it blew my mind. It gave me a 10-step checklist. Step 1. Source specific eco-friendly products like bamboo toothbrushes, reusable cotton pads, and soy wax candles from specific online wholesalers. Step 2. Buy minimalist recycled cardboard boxes for packaging. Step 3. Use $10 of the budget on a simple logo design from an AI image generator. Step 4. Create a basic Shopify store using a free trial. It broke down the entire $100 budget to the penny. It was a perfect, clear, and actionable roadmap. The AI allocated exactly $65 for inventory, $20 for shipping supplies, $10 for branding, and $5 for targeted advertising. The first challenge was sourcing the products. The AI gave me links to a few online suppliers for things like bamboo toothbrushes and solid shampoo bars. I spent hours comparing prices and shipping times, just like the AI told me to. I placed the orders, and my credit card balance dropped by $65. It felt weirdly real. This wasn't a game anymore. I was actually spending money based on a computer's instructions. A few days later, boxes started arriving at my door. My living room was suddenly filled with inventory for a business that didn't even have a name yet. Next up was branding. I gave the AI's instructions to another AI, an image generator. I typed in, create a minimalist logo for a brand called Green Parcel. Within seconds, I had dozens of options. I picked the one that looked the cleanest. I then set up the Shopify store, which was surprisingly easy. The AI had even given me text to use for the product descriptions. It wrote better sales copy than I ever could have. So I spent an entire afternoon assembling the Green Parcel gift sets. I carefully arranged the items in the recycled cardboard boxes, added some crinkle paper filler, and tied it all up with a piece of twine. It was tedious work, and it made me realize a huge limitation of AI. It can be the brain, but it can't be the hands. I took some photos of the finished gift boxes with my phone. The AI even gave me tips on lighting and angles. Then came the final step of the AI's plan, spending the last $5 on a targeted Instagram ad. The AI gave me the exact audience to target: women aged 25 to 45, living in major cities with interests in sustainability and unique gifts. The first 24 hours after launching the ad were silent. Nothing, not a single sale. I started to think this whole experiment was a massive failure. The AI had spent all my money, and I had nothing to show for it but a living room full of gift boxes that nobody wanted. But then, on the second day, it happened. Cha-ching! The Shopify notification sound echoed from my phone. The first sale! I literally jumped off my couch. Someone had actually bought a green parcel gift box for $35. A few hours later, another sale came in, and then another. By the end of the first week, we, and I say we because it felt like a team effort with the AI, had sold 6 boxes. That was a total revenue of $210. After subtracting the initial investment, we had made a profit of $110. So what did I learn? The biggest lesson is that AI is an incredible tool for execution, but it's not a magic button for instant success. It can eliminate the guesswork and create an efficient plan, but you, the human, are still the essential ingredient. The AI can give you a perfect map, but you still have to drive the car. It's a powerful partnership, not a replacement for human effort and intuition. If you're thinking of trying this yourself, here is my advice. Start small, just like I did. Don't be afraid to let the AI guide you, especially in areas where you're not an expert. But as this experiment showed, combining a little bit of money, a powerful AI, and your own hard work can actually lead to real, profitable results. Now, if you'll excuse me, the AI and I have some more orders to fill.